Hi guys, it is Playdoh Friday. I'm here with my babies. Hi. 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 So, you can see the... Oh, and I forgot the baby. Sorry, baby. Yeah. Goo gaga, goo gaga. That means hi. Okay. So, I have her bottle. I have some plates. I have 4 colors. I believe this is a purplish color. This is a purple. This is tan brown. This is a pink. And then I have this mold that I use. And then I have a knife. So can you guys guess what we're doing? Well, put it in the comments below. A bottle, a knife, this weird looking chip, some plates, of course, and these 4 colors. I'm gonna give you guys some time. You can, okay, so we are making, for her, a bright drink, something to go to drink. Well, we are going to make a Kit Kat bar with this mold and this color, and then these 3 colors are for them. We're gonna make a Valentine's like heart thing. Mom, what? I don't like any of these colors you set out first. I want black. Give me black. Fine. Okay, I got black. I got a juice box and a cutter for that one to be able to eat, because I don't want them to get too messy. So I'm gonna pass out plates. Hey, I don't want that. That's not a plate. Emily, no. I don't want this, Mom. I don't want it. Too bad. You're going to have it and you're going to like it. I don't care if you don't like it. Goo, 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 goo. What's she say? Random baby talk. She's just happy. Okay. So, yeah. Mommy, I'm kind of thirsty. Can I have that juice box? Yeah, here. I brought Kaylee over so she could like be in the camera, and I'm gonna scooch them all closer so he has most of the center. Okay, alright. So yeah. The first thing I think we're going to make is the chocolate bar. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you each 1 chocolate bar. I'm going to flip that over. And yeah, nothing pretty exciting, but you guys can watch me. I'm thirsty. Give me that, Kayla. No, I'm still thirsty. Give me the juice. No, it's not fair that you always get to say when and when you get it. I'm thirsty. Give me the juice now. No. You've been warned. No, Emily, don't even think about it. What? We're going to hit her. No, I wasn't. I promised I wasn't going to hit her. You're a liar. So for lying to Mommy and going to hit your sister and was being really rude, really rude to the subscribers, you are gonna sit there. I'm not sitting anywhere. Unless it's my wheelchair, I'm not going anywhere, Mom. You can't make me. You can't make me. Oh, you're gonna sit there. So, we are going to give each person a chocolate bar. Emily? What? If you don't cool your temperature, you're not going to make a chocolate. I'm not going to give you a chocolate bar or let you eat the heart you're going to make. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You can't do that, Mommy. Yeah, I can do that. You okay? I'm done. Okay. Alright. Can I have it? Absolutely. Thank you for asking. I asked first. No, you try to take Emily. And plus, you weren't speaking very nice, so I'm just going to give everyone a chocolate bar. Alright, I have the first little mold. And what you do with your knife, you're going to have to write Kit Kat. Well, it's KK. That's why I write. I did write KK, but it's really hard to tell. So you can go ahead and enjoy your Kit Kat. So you can go and enjoy it. Okay. Alright, let's get Hannah a Kit Kat. Alright, here is your Kit Kat and this Hannah, are you done with that? Yeah, Mommy. Alright. Can I have it now? No, you're gonna sit in timeout for a couple more minutes thinking about what you've done. I'm sorry. No, you're not. I know you're lying. You lie all the time, mainly, so I don't know when to believe you. So, I'm sorry, I can't believe you now. Okay. That's her Kit Kat. I know it's smaller, but because she lies all the time, and I believe this is how much she deserves. Alright, they finished it. And I think Emily learned her lesson. Wait, yummy Kit Kat. Wait, why is it so small? Small. That's not fair. I saw everyone else have a big one. You wanna know why it's so small? Yeah. You have been so naughty recently. This is what you deserve. So eat it. Eat it. Okay. Really good, but I want more. That was only half, Mom. You've been so naughty recently. I don't think you deserve more than that. Alright, so I'm gonna pass out your Play-Doh. But that's not fair. Pass out your things. Okay. You actually want back. What color do you want? Great. What color do you want? Strawberry. Okay. Now, just do whatever you want, and this is the only time I'm letting you use a knife to cut your heart out. And you can be nice and let someone have it, like swap, or you can just keep it for yourself, but that's kind of mean. But, you know, whatever you want to do. So, enjoy. Sissy, do you want to switch? What? Just switch with me. Okay. Alright. Let's make it. Okay. Let's open the block. Yeah, it's looking great. Okay, let's do my heart. Mommy, can I have the knife? Be really careful, but yeah. Here you go. No, I want it. Sorry, Emily, she asked for it first. Okay, done. Here you go, sis. No. Here you go, sissy. Thank you, weirdo. Let's draw my message. Here you go, Haley. Don't paste it for that. Here. Ugh. Here you go. Ow, ow, ow. Here, give me the knife, Emily. Okay, thank you. Here you go, sweetie. Thank you. I'm done. Thank you. Okay. Now, let's read messages out loud so the fans can hear what you wrote, okay? Okay, I'll start. Alright. I heart Kaylee. This one's for you, Kaylee. Here. And you'll pass them out at the end, okay? Alright, Emily? I'm just kind of scared to hear yours, but let's hear it. Evil is the right to go. Right way. Okay, Kaylee. I heart Hannah. Perfect. give each other the hearts. Thank you. Thank you. Is that why you wanted to switch? Yeah. You would get your flavor and I would get my flavor. Alright, girlies. Let's cut these off. Okay. But first I want to take a picture of you two together with the hearts that you made. And I'll take a separate one with you, Emily, okay? If you're wondering what my channel is called, it's called Never Too Old for Dolls. Okay? If you're wondering. Here. Oh, that's okay. I'll probably put these pictures of them. I'll probably put these pictures of them on my page, on this video, and on the next video, or on Instagram. Guys, welcome back. So we're going to cut the hearts. If you have not seen the other video, you are going to be so confused how to make these and what our other one, the mold, was for. So go watch that one before you're watching this one, okay? So we're going to start eating these little Valentine's cookies that the girls made for each other. Well, these two made for each other. I'm sure Leah would make one for Emily, and Emily would make one for Leah, but she can't really make anything that good, I'm sure. But we can let her try. Alright, I just cut it with a knife. I didn't use this mold because it would take too long. Alright, we're going to flip it over, and I'm just going to start cutting it. Cut mine up. I'm gonna eat a whole. No, don't you dare eat a whole. Why not? That's why you're gonna go choke. There you go. Now you can eat. So yeah. Alright, now we're going to make a little Valentine's bottle for Leah. So yeah, come on. She's probably hungry. Yeah, she heard about it. Is she hungry? Yeah. Let's go. We're going to make her a little Valentine's tree. Let's see, we have a yellow. Do we have a pink? Pink. We have orange. Oh, yeah, we have a pink. Here's a pink. Now we're just going to get our little paper towel. Alright, I'm going to feed her a bottle. This is what it looks like. It's a little pink. It's pink flavored milk. Alrighty. So all done? Wow. Everyone's enjoying theirs. Guys, I am seriously look at these babies. Kaylee's just fun. Here's Emily. And Hannah still has some increase in her, or some in her hand. Are you done? I'm full. I can't finish this. Alright, that's okay. No, I'm going to make myself finish it. Come on. No, don't finish it. Did you just... Yep. Oh my god. Alright, let's clean this off your face. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Bye.